probably seen those successful YouTube and TikTok product review videos that rake in loads of views. In fact, those are the affiliate videos. Nowadays, affiliate video is an important way for content creators to make money. With AI, everyone can monetize the content through affiliate marketing since we don't need to show faces and voices in the videos. If you've been curious about how to make those affiliate videos without revealing your face or investing in expensive filming equipment, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the process of leveraging AI avatars in affiliate marketing. With this innovative tool, you can easily churn out compelling videos in mere minutes, boosting your affiliate marketing earnings. First, go to Wondershare Virbo online via the link on the screen or check the link in the description. Now, there are two ways to get started with AI avatars. The first option is Talking Photo, tailored for those seeking a quick, art-style avatar creation. The second route involves selecting AI avatar from the diverse categories available, ranging from fitness, education, and business to promotion in a realistic style. Method 1. Use Talking Photo AI avatar in affiliate marketing. Under the Talking Photo tab, you'll find an array of avatars to choose from. Select one that resonates with you or upload your own image for a personalized touch. Now we choose this one and click Next. We can also remove the background so we can put this AI avatar in videos that have different backgrounds and graphic designs. If you want to change the avatar, click Switch and select from the list again. And then comes the script of the video. Type what you want here. For the voiceover, click here, and then you can choose the language, gender, and scenes. There are more than 460 voices available. And if you want to have your voice in the video, you could clone your voice by clicking Me here, and then clone your own voice and upload your original voice clip from here. Don't forget to add subtitles and background music to enhance the video's appeal and engagement level. After everything is down, click Create Video. Let's see the final result.
Hi, I'm Talking Photo Avatar from Wondershare Virbo.
Method 2. Use realistic AI avatar in affiliate marketing. Well, then we can try some realistic avatars. Now you can see many AI avatars here. There are 460 plus avatars available. Choose the one you like and as per the product niche. For example, if your product is about fitness, you could search fitness here, and you will see the fitness-related AI avatars in the search results. Choose your desired one to promote the sports equipment. Now, we choose this one to promote this running outfit. From here, opt for landscape orientation for your video. If you want to change the avatar, you can click it and select another one on the left. And do the same to customize the background. Here, we choose this one. And we can also move the avatar to the right place. Don't forget to weave in product images, descriptions, and other essential elements to make your video comprehensive and compelling. If you want to add script and voiceover, the steps are the same as the ones we mentioned in the first method. Once you've fine-tuned everything, hit Export to witness the magic of AI avatars in action. Okay, now we have talked about two ways to use AI avatar in affiliate marketing. AI avatar cannot cover everything, for example, the content is always the most important. But with an AI avatar, you can create affiliate videos with less budget and less time. Therefore, try Wondershare Virbo and speed up your workflow now. See you next time.